controversial businessman Winnie Chivayo's Instagram account has been hacked, leading to an embarrassing leak of his private messages with several women, including singer Shashi and Maxine Adam, the wife of self-proclaimed prophet Ed Branson. The hacked account has been posting screenshots of Chivayo's flirtatious conversations with the women, including offers to comfort Shashi after her video with DJ Levels late in 2022. Other women implicated in the leak include Kiki Baides and Anne Suchari, the wife of Prophet Anne Suchari. The most damaging revelation, however, is the Chivayo's alleged secret relationship with Maxine Adam, with the hacker claiming he bought her a car. This latest scandal comes at a time when Chivayo is already facing corruption charges and has fallen out of favor with President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who has reportedly dumped him.